In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save emails from Gmail directly into Notion effortlessly. We'll walk through this process step by step, ensuring you can seamlessly transfer important information from your inbox to your preferred workspace. This is an incredibly handy skill to have if you want to declutter your email and keep your important messages organized within Notion. First things first, we'll need to head over to the Chrome Web Store. Once there, use the search bar at the top to type in Save to Notion. This extension is a powerful tool that allows you to clip and save emails directly to Notion, making it perfect for keeping everything organized in one place. Keep an eye out for it in the search results and click on it to proceed. Next, you'll want to add this tool to your Chrome browser. All you need to do is click on the Add to Chrome button you'll find on the page dedicated to the extension. A prompt will pop up seeking your confirmation, to which you should click Add Extension. The installation will happen in just a few moments, and you'll see the icon appear on your browser's toolbar, usually resembling a puzzle piece or an N. With the extension ready, it's time to open your Gmail inbox. Navigate to the specific email that you wish to save to Notion. Open this email so you can view its contents, and we'll get ready to transfer it over. Now, with the email open, locate the Save to Notion icon on your browser bar. You'll see it near the top right of your browser window. Click on this icon and a small window will pop up, allowing you to choose exactly where in Notion you want to save the email. You'll see options to select a particular page or database within your Notion account. Once you've selected the desired destination, confirm your choice. With a single click, the email's details, including the subject line, sender information, and the message body, will be exported directly into Notion. This process ensures that all essential information is captured and stored securely in your Notion workspace. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you can efficiently manage and archive your emails straight into Notion, creating a streamlined workflow that keeps everything organized and easily accessible. This method not only helps declutter your inbox, but also leverages Notion's robust features to maintain a well-organized and comprehensive digital ecosystem. Happy organizing, and enjoy the peace of mind that comes with having all your important emails a mere click away in Notion.